So what is it, baby girl? You missing Spider?
Yeah. But that's not it.
Okay. So what is it?
I feel her, Dad.
You feel who?
Awa. I hear her breathing. I hear her heartbeat. She's so close. She's just there. Like a word about to be spoken. I know you think I'm crazy.
You're not crazy, baby girl. So what does Awa's heartbeat sound like?
Mighty.
Tell him what you told me.